I built this business idea generator app within minutes, all through simple natural language. This is Famous AI, a no-code builder that lets you create powerful apps just by describing your idea in plain language. So in this video, we're going to test it out, explore its features step by step, and see if it really delivers on that promise, or if it's just another piece of AI hype. You'll find all links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Before we start writing the prompt, make sure the web app option is selected. When you're describing your idea, think of it like you're talking to a real developer. Be clear, specific, and include exactly what you want your app to do, from the features to the user profile to the design style. The more details you give, like the links and buttons to add, the better the output will be. Once you've got that clarity, it's time to write our prompt. Here's what I'll type. Now, Famous AI takes over. It reads your prompt, understands your intent, and starts generating everything, from the HTML structure to the business idea logic. It also debugs any errors in its own code. And in just a few minutes, it's done. Here's our AI Business Idea Generator app, fully built and ready to use. The interface looks clean and minimal, with a white background and soft purple accents, exactly as we described in the prompt. There's a text box where users can type something like fitness. Once we click Generate Ideas, the app instantly produces 5 tailored business ideas, each with a catchy name, a short one-line pitch, a clear monetization plan, and a list of suggested AI tools that can help bring that idea to life. It's fast, organized, and surprisingly professional for something built entirely through a single prompt. Let's test it out. I'll type digital marketing and hit generate, and instantly it creates complete business ideas tailored specifically to me, including recommended tools like Notion. Now, let's make some refinements. What's great about Famous AI is that you can literally chat with it to update your app, just like you would with a developer. For example, you can type, add a save button so users can download their list as a PDF. The AI then updates your app's logic, adds the input fields, and reconnects the backend, all on its own. Once you're happy with how your app looks and feels, it's time to publish. Just click Publish. And Famous AI gives you 2 options. You can either host it directly on Famous AI's own domain, perfect for quick demos or prototypes, or connect your custom domain for a more professional launch. And if you ever decide to build mobile apps, Famous AI can automatically package and upload them to Google Play or the Apple App Store using Expo. Alright, let's quickly talk about pricing. Famous AI offers a mini plan starting at just $7 per month, and honestly, it's perfect if you just want to test the platform and build your first few apps. However, things like keeping a project live, making backend or database edits, or even processing larger image files can add up as compute charges, so keep an eye on your usage to avoid wasting too many credits. Overall, if you want to bring your app ideas to life without writing a single line of code, Famous AI is decent. So go ahead and try it out for yourself using the discount link in the description, and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.